Hi viewers. I am here with a new video about Osmo Mobile 6 smartphone stabilizer. Need an intelligent smartphone stabilizer? That's creative as you are. Sure, the Osmo Mobile 6. It's powerful, easy to use and make your videos super smooth with 3x stabilization for results that speak themselves. Osmo Mobile 6 is an intelligent smartphone stabilizer packed with creative features. It's not only compact and easily foldable to fit in your palm, but also launches automatically once unfolded to capture shots at a moment's notice. Get dynamic angles and perfect selfies by using the built-in extension rod. A whole host of intelligent functions and guides are at your disposal. The DJI Osmo app facilitates efficient shooting, editing, and sharing, allowing you to catch every unforgettable moment. With excellent features of 3-axis stabilization, quick launch, portable and foldable, ActiveTrack 5.0, built-in extension rod along with easy tutorials and one-tap editing. Ready, steady, go. Osmo Mobile 6 is compact and portable. Carry your Osmo Mobile 6 on exciting adventures. The compact and foldable design is easy to pack, and with the quick-release magnetic phone clamp, you can get going without the hassle of removing your phone case. Snap in or out, you're ready to shoot or take a call at a moment's notice. This is also quick launch device because Osmo Mobile 6 powers on as soon as you unfold it. Snap in a paired smartphone, and the DJI Osmo app pops up automatically, allowing you to start shooting as soon as inspiration strikes. With 3-axis stabilization, capture smooth, lossless, on-the-move creations that impress and wow. Osmo Mobile 6 integrates DJI's advanced stabilization technology to put strong, stable, shake-free results at your fingertips. Looking good. The new slate gray color is sleek, neat, and stain-resistant. With an improved ergonomic design and anti-slip grip, Osmo Mobile 6 fits snugly in your hand. Smooth operator. Conveniently check the battery level, the system status indicator, and switch between gimbal modes with the new built-in status panel. Press the M button to hop between the 4 modes to meet your filming needs or add creative flair. Just roll to control effortlessly and fluidly. Control zoom and focus with Osmo Mobile 6's new side wheel. Roll the wheel to adjust the focal length for flexible composition and zoom in and out with buttery smoothness. And for even more cinematic control, press the side wheel once to switch to manual focus. Intelligent features at the gimbal with street smarts like warp time and space with time lapse, motion lapse, and hyper lapse. With simple motion lapse templates, you can blend beautiful moments into impressive clips. With dynamic zoom, use move in and move out modes to get stretching and compressing visual effects to create dynamic blockbuster shots with your phone. Gesture control makes taking a selfie or a group photo easy. Snapping a pic or starting a video has never been this convenient. At the end panorama feature. Try 3 pano modes, 3x3, 240 degrees, or clone me are available for your creative vision. Try, and you shall see. Built-in extension rod. Get everyone in the picture. The built-in extension means no one gets left out. Include more friends, pets, or gorgeous scenery in any shot. Take dynamic selfies from higher or lower angles. Extend the rod to extend the creative possibilities. Quick switch to portrait. Smoothly switch between landscape and portrait mode by simply pressing the switch button twice. There's no gamble with this. Gimbal ActiveTrack 5.0 is fully upgraded for more stable tracking at longer distances. The improved version allows the front camera to track subjects that turn to the side or spin. Whether camping, traveling, or street shooting, the gimbal automatically keeps the subject dead center to make your footage more story-like. Vlogs that pop. Don't worry about bad lighting or distracting noise. With the DJI Osmo Fill Light phone clamp and DJI mic, you're prepared for any situation and equipped to elevate your content to new levels. Nail it, From first take to post DJI Mimo, even beginners can create like a pro. In camera view, tutorials pop up at the start of many features for intuitive instructions and guides so you can get started quickly. Shot guides automatically recognizes your scenario and recommends a shot sequence, along with a tutorial for how to get it. Choose from a range of templates, follow the instructions, and shoot like a pro in no time. Lightcut app. Jump from the DJI Mimo app to the Lightcut app, which features AI-powered one-tap editing and a range of exclusive video templates. From shooting to processing, it's a one-stop solution truly friendly for new creators. Don't forget to accessorize DJI Osmo Magnetic Phone Clamp 3. Shoot at a moment's notice. An improved quick-release phone clamp allows you to snap in and out without the hassle of removing your phone case. And with the strong magnetic force between the clamp and gimbal, create worry-free knowing your device is secure. See for yourself 3D and AR visuals of device. Get a feel for what it is like to own DJI Osmo Mobile 6 in advance. Click and drag the unfolded image to view like this and you can see it also folded. Is this heavy? Not at all. This is ultra light, portable and foldable, making it easy to take anywhere. Like here, and with its magnetic design you can make your phone on and off. Get creative with new zoom and focus control we want. With some excellent features like dynamic zoom, hyperlapse and panorama. You can use built-in extension rod to capture what dynamic angles with ActiveTrack 5.0 forever the subject tracking like that. Or try gesture control if you shooting alone. It even has a new status panel and 4 different control mode like follow, tilt, locked, FPV and spin. Shot gives you great shot anywhere you go. What if you need a little help for using this? No problem. There are easy and one-tap editing. Get some great ideas for shot guides with the DJI Mimo apps, or you could one-tap edit with the Lightcut app. You can even share your masterpiece in seconds. With the other cool accessories that are like fully compatible DJI mic, you get pro-level audio, and with DJI Osmo Fill Light phone clamp that make your look great and selfies are excellent. The Osmo Mobile 6. Unfold the creativity. Buy the product from $159. Thank you.